Hey there, it's one of those cozy unboxing things. You're welcome here. Today they have 3 blind boxes from KIKAGoods, and I just wanted to take a moment and appreciate their packaging because it's so secure and so good. Thank you. This is another box and all my things should be inside. This little one is Ocean Bubble Bean series. This is Secret Forest Garden Party. This one is Yuki Warm Bunny series, and I asked to send it without a box just to reduce waste. First, let's start with this little bean. It's so tiny and I just can't wait to see how it looks in person. Here we have a nice tiny bag and moment of truth. Wow! It's electrolyted. Oh my god, look at this! Oh my god, this is so tiny. Like you can see the size. But it's so beautiful. So pretty. Now let's open Emma's Secret Forest Garden Party. Let's make a little close-up and look through all designs this series has. They're all so adorable. That's why I didn't care which one I get, because they're all so beautiful. So let's see. Oh, that's fine. Oh, the card just fell, but we won't looking at this. Okay, we put it on the side. Let's open. I'm kind of nervous. Oh, wow. It's a unicorn. It's a little unicorn, guys. Also, I don't know, can you see it like this? But it's all shiny. Like, all the figure shines. It's so beautiful. So soft. I really like this one. Let's look on the card. It's Tara Mouse. Sorry, I hope I pronounced it right. Now let's open our last one in this order. It's Yuki Warm Bunny series from KIKAGoods. I'm so excited. It's the thing I was waiting the most. So let's see. I see the card, but we will put it on the side so we won't see it. This is the bag. It has some snowmans. It's nice. So let's open. Let's see. 1, 2. Oh my god. Sorry, I think I need a moment. I really just can't find enough words. It's so pretty. It also has this, I don't know, wires, so you can actually pause it. And it stands. Like, it stands by itself. Wow. It's a little purse. It's a ribbon. Ears. Oh, so soft. It's pendant, so we have this one, ring, and it says Yuki. And oh my god, look at this. It's a little bunny face. I even didn't choose which one I want because like they all so good. But I'm really glad I got this one. I'm really glad. Oh, and I just forgot that we didn't see the card itself, so let's see the card. Yay! It's a little yellow guy. So cute. So these all we got today in our very first order from KIKAGoods. I can't be more happy. I think it's also such a cool set, all three together, and I definitely will order more because it's just perfect. So let's give the little ones last moment of appreciation. So cute. Such a pretty. This is the end of my first ever blind box unboxing video, so please be kind. And thanks for sharing this with me. I really hope it made today a little softer. Bye!